What is up? Welcome to this video. Welcome to another episode right here on this channel. Today in this video, in our software engineering playlist, also in Python, today we are looking at BeautifulSoup versus Scrapy, Python web scraping tools as compared. So Python actually offers two distinct web scraping approaches: the BeautifulSoup, a lightweight parsing library requiring additional HTTP libraries, and Scrapy, a comprehensive end-to-end framework. So this BeautifulSoup is for simple tasks and ease of use, Scrapy for large-scale projects needing concurrency and advanced features. So we are going to look at the differences between the tools so that you can know which one you can choose for your projects, so that when it's time, you know the exact one to use. So BeautifulSoup is simple with syntax with minimal setup. It is beginner friendly with easy learning curve. It requires external libraries for web requests, and it's ideal for quick extraction from static pages. It is also lightweight with few dependencies. For Scrapy, it's asynchronous requests for better performance. Built-in crawling, pipelines, and export tools, Scrapy handles cookies, sessions, and authentication. It is best for complex multi-page projects, and steeper learning curve with more capabilities. So that's it for you. On your next project, you know which one to use. Thank you. Let's move to the next video in this playlist.